Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're getting Slack notifications late on your desktop, messages arrive but alerts show minutes later, this is usually caused by background restrictions, network delays, or system notification settings. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1, keep Slack running in the background. If Slack closes or sleeps, notifications get delayed. Make sure Slack stays open in the system tray and starts automatically with Windows. Step 2, check your internet stability. Slack notifications depend on a live connection. If your internet drops even briefly, alerts can be delayed. Restart your router and avoid unstable Wi-Fi networks. Step 3, disable battery saver and power saving modes. Windows may pause background apps to save power. Go to Settings, Arrow System, Arrow Power, and Battery, and turn off Battery Saver mode. Step 4, turn off Focus Assist. Windows Focus Assist can delay notifications. Go to Settings, Arrow System, Arrow Focus Assist, and set it to Off. Step 5, check Slack notification settings. Open Slack, then Preferences, then Notifications. Make sure notifications are enabled for messages and mentions. Step 6, allow Slack in background apps. Go to Settings, Arrow Apps, Arrow Installed Apps, Arrow Slack, Arrow Background App Permissions, and set it to Always. Step 7, clear Slack cache. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata, %\slack, delete the files inside. Corrupted cache can delay alerts. Step 8, update or reinstall Slack. Old app versions can cause sync delays. Install the latest version if needed. Notification delays happen when Slack loses real-time connection or Windows limits background activity. Fix these settings and alerts should arrive instantly again. See you in the next guide.